If you have not talked to a lender yet, you're not a true commercial real estate investor. You are a browser. And I know that sounds harsh, but it's true. My team's done $1.6 billion in transactions over the past few years, and I've seen so many transactions never even happen for one, or not closed because the investor did things backwards. I'm going to break down for you in this one quick video what to do first, how to get started, what to look for, what not to do, and how to get your first transaction or first couple transactions as fast as possible without any hiccups. Because a lot of times when I'm looking at commercial real estate investors, they're doing things backwards. They're trying to find properties and look at assets and do walkthroughs and all these things, which in theory makes sense. But here's the sad truth that most gurus online won't tell you. When you're investing in commercial real estate, especially commercial real estate, your terms matter more than anything else almost. More than the deal sheet, more than the asset, because without the right terms, your great deal can become a terrible, terrible transaction for you and a liability, not an asset. So it's so crucial for number one, when you get into real estate, look at financing first. Financing will be your best friend. Because again, every asset class and every kind of deal is different. Is it a 30-year term, a 25-year term, a 20-year term, a 15-year term? Like those 5 years, 10 years, 15-year differences makes a massive difference on your net free cash flow. Or is it a bridge loan? That also makes a big difference. Now, it also comes down to this, if we're looking at not just terms in terms of length, but also what will be the down payment, what will be the interest rates. All of these makes a massive difference for your bottom line. Real estate investing for beginners, especially for beginners, should start with financing, not property selection without financing in place, because you don't know what you can buy, what you can't buy, what deals to look for, what not to look for. Again, the whole thing can become disrupted so quickly by not having that in place first. It'll be easy to find. And also, if you want my lenders, I have a whole suite of them in pretty much every state across America. Down below, send me an email. Happy to send it to you. No strings attached. My team has worked with the best of the best. We vet them super carefully because every lender is different. And some of these people get you amazing returns, like 6% interest rates. Right now, it's going with like 7%. So, like, great opportunity for you. That's number one. Get financing in place. It's so crucial. And on that point, the way lenders look at new investors, it's not like single-family houses, residential real estate. Much, much different. Now, when looking at single-family houses, people also say, well, I'll get financed later on. I don't need it right now, which is not totally true, but it doesn't matter as much in commercial. Now, when you talk to lenders, though, they want to know what's your net worth, what's your debt-to-income ratio. Sometimes, obviously, they care a lot more about the asset itself than you have as a person, but it still matters. You also want to know, like, what experience do you have in investing? Because it's a different type of game. Like, are you buying homes before? This is your first transaction you're doing? If so, that will also limit what you can buy and not buy. If you're trying to do some big development deal or trying to do a transaction that's a lot of value add, they may actually tell you no because they know that you might have a hard time fulfilling that transaction to its fullest capacity. So having a good agent on your side is also really important too. More than that pretty soon though. But that is number one. Lenders look at you very, very carefully. They care a lot about the property as well. But at the end of the day, you are still a big component of that. And then next on our list, number two. This is choosing the right asset and knowing not only your buy box, but what are your goals? Are you trying to have cash flow, value add? Are you trying to buy 8% cap rate, 6% cap rate? What is your strategy in place moving forward? Again, every asset has different buy boxes. Every state will change as well. Like I'm doing deals all across America with my clients, and every state is a little bit different. There's different price per square foot, different price per door. List goes on. So know your buy box, know your location. Can you invest across the states? Of course you can. So you invest in your backyard? Probably. But it's so crucial to know what is your buy box. Price, location, returns, and strategy. What is the exit strategy? What's day one strategy? List goes on. Up above, I have a whole video that breaks down for you underwriting the whole process, how to underwrite a transaction, how to think about the buy box, and more. So everyone's different. That is going to be a huge part. And then the last step. Once you now know you have what your terms are, you have a lender in place, you now know your buy box, your next step, number 3, is to find a commercial real estate broker to help you do the best transaction and save you time, stress, and money. I've seen so many people try to do it themselves and lose out on amazing transactions, especially as beginners, because not only does the lender judge you, but so do the other brokers. So if you like by yourself, 1, they will try to take advantage of you because they know you'll know you're doing. And 2, they may say, we can't give it to you because I want a sure deal. And we don't know if we can make it happen for you. But with me helping you as a real estate commercial broker, we can help you get the best transactions and use all resume, all track record, and all experience to give you a better leg up on your next investment. And on top of that, we also make sure we help you save at least 5 to 6 figures in your next investment. Like right now, as of this morning, I'm currently negotiating off $1 million+ on plus 2 transactions, like today. So we do this every single day for our clients, saving normally minimum 6 figures, but definitely above 5 figures savings for you. And we handle the whole process for you, from deal sourcing, underwriting, doing the inspections, walking the property, the whole 9 yards, to give you the white glove experience that you deserve and make sure your next investment is a solid, sound, concrete decision for you that actually gives you a bonus, not a liabilities. So find an agent super good for you. If you don't want to use me, totally fine. If you do though, down below, link in the description, have a call with me directly. I can walk you through the whole process and so much more. But if you have a friend, by all means use them too. I just want to make sure you get the best support moving forward. So again, the common mistakes I see so many people make in investing in commercial real estate as a beginner, especially doing real estate as a beginner, is going to be not having financing, not knowing what they're looking for, being caught up by what the gurus are saying online who sell maximizing courses. Not saying it's wrong, but it's easy to caught up in that. And then 3, having the wrong broker. I've seen so many deals not make it to the finish line or have good returns because they picked the wrong broker, picked the wrong lender, and picked the wrong asset class. There's so much more than just picking what you want to buy. If you do all these things, I can guarantee you, you have a massive success in your career as a real estate investor. And looking back, you're like, wow, I'm so happy I watched this video. This changed the way I invested moving forward. Now, again, this is going to be like the super beginner level strategies for you. You want a whole breakdown though, like the A to Z on like what to do, how to find deals, how to underwrite them, contracts and everything more. I have a whole crash course for free right here you can watch for free, and a playlist as well breaking down all things commercial real estate. Again, I have nothing to sell you besides commercial real estate. There's no masterminds, no courses, no upsells. I want to help you buy and sell commercial real estate at the highest level, and give you all I can possibly give you in terms of value and support, make it easier for you. So you can get more support from me directly down below. Link in the description. Have a call with me. Walk through the whole process. If I don't save you these 5 or 6 figures, we work for free. And so far, we've always saved our clients at least 5+ figures with our help and support. As always, thanks for watching. For the best they get, I'll see you at the top, and glad to have you here.